I woke up really late today, but I'm super excited to get back into the studio and carry on with this project that I'm working on. But first I gotta take the dog out. Alright, that's the outline all done. Still got a couple hours of sunlight left, so I'm gonna get onto the shading now. And that's a wrap for today. Pretty good progress. Outline's all done. The dots are gonna take a long time, a few more days. It's quite satisfying drawing on canvas. I don't really do it very often. So it's a bit different for me, but not too much really. It's just, I don't know, it's just, I don't know, I'm just loving it. I love doing big pieces right now. It's the most fun thing to do. And also, just standing in front of it, it's like so hypnotizing. That's something that you don't get quite as much when it's like a small piece on paper. When it's just a massive piece and it's right in front of you, you can't help but get sucked into it, you know. Loving it. Thanks for watching. I'll be back on it tomorrow.